welcome everyone. And this is already the third episode of this season. Today I'm here with Dr. Saumya, who is calling me live from the other side of the world. She's a slightly bit delayed, so she's giving me a call from the car, but hopefully we can hear her perfectly. So welcome. I'm really happy you are here. And I would love to hear your experience about what's changing in the workforce. So if you would love to share with us, what is your experience that you see happening right now in the workplace, and what do you hope this means for the future?
Thank you so much, Susan, for having me on board. And my apologies once again, since I'm traveling. But a very relevant question and a very pertinent question at the moment. What is happening at workplace is agility. We are changing, we are adapting to the new ways of how to work. Now, I come from a manufacturing background, and it was really easy for people who were working in IT and consultancy to move from a physical space to an ethereal place. For us, it was an unimaginable task because we never thought that manufacturing could ever move to ether. But the way that we transitioned and we created a hybrid environment wherein we definitely brought in an essence of creating a work culture, engagement, and along with it, the honesty and agility at the workplace is something that nowadays we all are looking at. So the treatment of an employee it is not just restricted to how you treat them when they are physically at a workplace, but now the work has entered their home domains. So how you treat them there is also what matters most now. So those are my thoughts on it.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more, especially as a work-life balance expert. There's a huge overlap now, isn't there? So again,
absolutely.
Thank you so much for sharing this with us. If anyone is listening to this, I would love to share in the comments below. What is your experience? Do you agree with Dr. Saumya on this one, or do you have a different experience that's currently happening in your field? Well, thank you so much again for being here, and safe travels, and talk soon. Bye.
Thank you so much for having me on board. Pleasure.